Have you recently finished a course or certification in deep learning and you want to gain real world experience on a real world project in deep learning or computer vision? If yes, then Dockship community challenges are specifically designed for you. On Dockship, we host various AI hackathons, hiring challenges and community challenges. But community challenges are specifically focused for beginners who are just starting in the field. Hello everyone, this is Shitla from Dockship, and in this video, I'm happy to announce one more community challenge on Dockship. We have launched Caltech Image Classification AI Challenge on Dockship. In this, you have to design a deep learning model that can accurately detect 256 categories of objects. It's a very interesting problem and it's also a challenging problem that will give you a lots of insight in deep learning and computer vision. All the instructions starting from downloading the image dataset to making a successful submission are available in the instruction section of the challenge. In this challenge, winners will get cool prizes like goodies, certificates. Goodies will include t-shirt and laptop bags, mugs and many more other things. And all the participants who will make a successful submission will get a certification from Dockship. On Dockship, all it takes 30 seconds to apply into any AI challenges. So what are you waiting for? Go and apply now. As you can see, we have started receiving applications for this challenge. There are limited seats, so better apply now. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the challenge.